Hello and welcome everyone to Little Crafter Show. My name is Eileen, aka Eileen the Little Crafter. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. And don't forget to hit that little bell icon to be notified when my next video is up and loaded. Alrighty guys, so today we're going to be using Savannah Paper Co's Paper Lover, and I'm going to be using that in my Erin Conran weekly. Yeah, so right now I am going to be adding the washi to the top of that. And on the side, I'm going to be using some of the beautiful deco sheets that come in the kit. This is the entire kit, so I still have a lot more, and I am definitely going to be using that very soon in another planner. I'm also going to be using this particular clear washi tape with I think it's like silver, I don't know what that's called, but it's from Rose Color Daze, and it's really beautiful. Yeah, so I use a lot of Rose Color Daze in this kit. I'm also going to be adding the date covers, and then I do the flippity flip, and then I was going to add the date covers, and I'm like, wait a minute, I forgot to add the washi. So anyways, I do make a little bit of an oopsie here, so I am going to be fixing that up with well, actually I forgot to mention that I am using my True Control knife from Cricut, and I also use a pair of scissors to get it a little closer. Anyway, what I want to say was really quickly that I did mention in the previous video that Sparrow Design Paper Co. was going to be opening on the 18th, but unfortunately that is not the case. She will be opening up the 25th. So I just wanted to give you that little heads up. Also wanted to mention that I am planning from May 18th through the 24th. All right, so all right, so the cool thing and awesome thing about Karina's kits that it comes with date dots, and so thank you, Miss Savannah, for those beautiful little date dots. I love them. They are so cute. They're the perfect size. They're not too little, and they're just not too big and overpowering. It's just perfect. Anyway, so I'm going to be adding the washi strips. Oh boy, I can't talk today. So yeah. So then I was thinking about using this washi, which is from Recollection. It's just perfect size. The coloring was just a little off, but later on I realized that I really didn't need it, because I decided to add some date covers from Rose Color Daze, or layovers or coverovers. I don't remember the name, but you guys know what I'm talking about. Again, I will list everything down that I used down below, what links and all that other stuff. All right. So at this point, I am going to be heading on over to my sidebar. That particular little weekly checklist is going to be for my son's schedule, and then a habit tracker, and then the bottom one is going to be mine. And those tweezers are from Sassy Planner Co. Excuse me. I felt like I had to sneeze. And those are the bent tweezers. And I think those are apple, or one of the beautiful greens that she has in her kit. I decided that I was going to use a thicker washi because I saw that we had so many. So I was like, what could I do with this? Can I add it here to cover up that little white space? And then I was like, no, this thinner washi will be perfect. And then I'm going to see how much more I needed to pick it up. So I added or push it up or whatever. I added the flag checklist to the bottom. And then that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to add the thicker washi strips to the bottom and the thinner ones in the middle to help with the beautiful deco stickers, which just add a little something. The heart checklist is the top, going on the top, and that is going to be for my son's schedule. Believe it or not, he still has a lot of schooling left, so yeah, and a lot of appointments that we need to keep. And so yeah, so we're going to just do that until everything gets back to normal, which who knows when. But anyway, guys, so as I said, the covers are going on, and those are confetti and silver. You really can't see them in this video. I apologize about that, but it's just a little something to add to the planner there. And again, those are just some rose colored day covers. They're not on straight, but that's okay. It doesn't have to be exact. And I just added to that particular girl right there. I was going to add that, but then I'm like, okay, let me move the washi over. So I didn't wind up using any of the stars, which I probably will use the stars in another video because they are really cute. It's a little collab that I saw when I went on Rose Color Days website. So now I'm going to be adding those little the confetti to the little washi strips, like I said. And then I'm just going to I am going to be thinking about whether or not if I want to do the same thing over again. Add those deco stickers to the top. To the bottom. And then I realized, wait a minute, I wanted to put the banner, the weekend banner on the middle and then add the deco on the top. Just, I don't know, to make it different, because in last week's spread, I put it on the top and then I just added the deco stickers to the middle. So, yeah. So then, since I really don't do much on Sunday, I decided to put the sticker there and just move up the little washi strip right there to give it some room. And I'm going to put another silver overlay on the coffee. I really loved, like I said, this was so much fun to work with. I've never used any like silver overlays or anything like that. This was my first time using it, and I have to say this was so much fun. All right, so I make a boo-boo here. I really didn't need this full-on checklist for my son's schedule. I was going to pick it up and then I couldn't put it back down properly, so I was like, and then I realized, well, maybe I should have cut it up. But anyways, I left it in here. Yeah, I guess lazy editing at this point. My apologies that you see the struggle is real. So anyways, yeah, so, and look at that, guys. I forgot to mention, I did my nails. I did a simple little ombre. These nail polishes are from, what is that? Oh, okay, yeah. So I'm going to be putting, Maniology is the word. Taco Night stickers from Laissez-Faire. A half box. And down on the bottom, School Day sticker from Savannah Paper Co. Those are the, what is that? Customized strips. Customized, And then I realized those are star covers. That's because I was wondering, oh, can I put that there? And then I said, no. Let me just use the washi again for the weekend banner, just to add a little something, a little more extra sparkle. Anyways, another half box. That is another half box from Little Things to remind me about a phone call I need to make sure that I'm on time for. And more School Day stickers. And then, yeah, like I said, those are from Savannah Paper Co. that I got from there. And I was going to try and fix something down on the butt. No. School Day sticker, I forgot. Those are Sweet Kawaii Design itty bitty social media icons. This is the YouTube icon. And what else is going on here? So I'm adding more checklist flags. And that is for, oops, put the wrong thing. That is for filming, groceries, and blog, which I do on Fridays, and Wednesday is another video. I am thinking about making a video for Sunday, but we shall see how that goes. I think if I haven't already put that up, I was going to do something for baking, and that's #babe, which was part of the kit. And I also add a sparkle sticker. Well, it's called Sparkles Eat Pizza for Friday. And I still have a lot left over on this kit. This is work stickers from Rose Color Daze, which came with that little bundle that I got. And I forgot, when did I order this? This was a while ago and I forgot to share. So yeah, so this just work stickers. And I thought, oh, this would be cool since I don't have any block stickers at this point. And then I'm also going to be using this little sticker to remind me about a protein shampoo that I like to use for my hair. And it's like, I forgot how many weeks I have to do that. And there goes finally the Sparkles Eat Pizza. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys have any comments or questions, please leave them down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye for now.